We'll guide you through how to make ElevenLabs sound natural. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make ElevenLabs sound more natural, begin by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer or laptop. Click on the search bar located at the top of the browser window, type ElevenLabs, and press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. When the search results appear, select the first official ElevenLabs link to open the homepage. After the page finishes loading, locate the Sign Up button in the top right corner and click it. On the Sign Up page, choose the Sign Up with Google option. Next, select the specific Google account you want to connect to ElevenLabs. Scroll down and review the permissions that ElevenLabs is requesting from your Google profile. After that, click Continue to allow access to your Google account information. Then select 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝗀 as your preferred platform type and click Continue. Enter your name into the field provided so the dashboard can be personalized. Check the age confirmation box to verify that you meet the platform requirements, and click Next to continue to the onboarding section. From the referral options, select Newsletter or Blog. Choose Personal Use. Next, select Text-to-Speech when the platform asks what you would like to do. Click Continue to proceed to the plan selection screen. If you prefer using the free tier rather than a monthly subscription, click the Skip button. Your ElevenLabs dashboard will now be ready, and you can begin exploring the interface. Click the main text bar and type your script. For example, it's midnight, the rain is tapping against the window, and you're right where you need to be. Just relax, let the music take over, and enjoy the quiet moments of the night. To make ElevenLabs sound natural, on the Voice Settings panel, adjust the speed slider down to 0.85 to create a deeper and more relaxed pacing. Set the stability slider to 45% to allow more human-like emotional variation. Move the similarity slider to 77% to capture the realistic nuances of the speaker. Ensure the style exaggeration remains 0% so the performance stays grounded. Turn the speaker boost option on to enhance voice clarity. Finally, click Generate Speech, wait for processing, then download or share the audio.